Hi everyone, I am your Naveen, Social Science Facilitator. And at grade 10, today we are going to discuss a new syllabus from geography, that is manufacturing industries. And that first we can go for new words. The first word is agro-industry. What is agro-industry? Agriculture developed along industrial lines we can call as agro-industry. Next word is agglomeration. Agglomeration. Agglomeration means a mass or collection of things and assemblage. Here we can talk. Third word we are going to learn here, that is gross domestic product or GDP we are calling. The monetary total value of finished goods produced and service provided in a country during year, that is we are calling as GDP or gross domestic product. Next word, urbanization. Urbanization refers to the population shift from rural to urban areas. The gradual increase in the proportion of people living in urban areas and the ways in which each society adapts to the change. Next word, industrialization. Development of industries in a country or region on a wide scale. Next word, public sector industries. It's a part of the economy concerned with providing various governmental services. The composition of the public sector varies country-wise, but most in countries. The public sector includes such services as the military, police, infrastructure. Infrastructure like public roads, bridges, tunnels, water supply, sewers, electrical grids, telecommunication, etc. Public transport, public education, along with healthcare and those working for the government itself, such as elected officials. Next word, private sector industries. It is a part of the economy sometimes referred to as the citizen sector, which is run by private, individual or groups, usually as a means of enterprise for profit, and it is not controlled by the state. That is, actually we can say areas of the economy controlled by the state being referred to the public sector we can call. Private sector is not controlled by the public sector. Next word, mineral based industry. What is mineral based industry? Industries that use minerals as a raw material are called mineral based industry. The iron and steel industry is the basic industry on which all other industry dependent. The production and per capita consumption of steel is measure of a country's economic development. Next word, natural product. A natural product is a chemical, compound or substance produced by a living organism that is found in nature in the broadest sense. Natural products include any substance produced by life. Aluminium smelting. It's a process of extracting aluminium from its oxide, alumina, generally by Hall-Héroult process. Alumina is extracted from the ore bauxite by means of the bare process at alumina refinery. Aluminium smelting is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. Fertilizer industries or fertilizers we can call as any material of natural or synthetic origin other than liming materials that is applied to soil or to plant tissues to supply one or more plant nutrients essential to the growth of plants. And next word is environmental degradation. It is the deterrent of the Today we are going to speak about manufacturing industry. In that, I am going to give an example for you about manufacturing industry. It is the occasion of on the occasion of Diwali. Harish went to a market with his parents. They purchased shoes and clothes for him. His mother purchased utensils, sugar, tea, and diyas. Diyas in the sense here, earthen lamps we can call. Harish observed that the shops in the market were flooded with items for sale. He wondered how so many quantities. His father explained that shoes, clothes, sugars are manufactured by machines in a large industries. Some utensils are manufactured in small industries, while like diyas are made individual artisans in household industry. So, do you have some ideas about these industries? Yeah, what is the meaning of manufacturing industry? Production of goods in large quantities after the process of from raw materials to more valuable products is called as manufacturing industry. So we are producing the goods in a large quantities. If we are converting raw material into finished goods, that we can call as a manufacturing industry. For example, paper is manufactured from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron and aluminium from bauxite, like this. Okay, so nowadays we can call as a cloth is the air which is itself industrial product, that one. So people employed in secondary activities manufacture the primary materials into finished goods. So people will be employed here in the secondary activities. They are manufacturing the primary materials to finished goods. Some people are providing service also. Some people they are there, no. For example, I will tell you the workers employed in the steel factories, textile industries, bakeries, etc. fell into the category. Some people are employed into the providing service. In this chapter, we are going to learn about secondary industries or secondary activities more. Okay. So, what is the importance of manufacturing industry? Why we need manufacturing industry? That is a question. So, why we need manufacturing industry means manufacturing sector is considered as the backbone of development in general economic development in a particular mainly. Why means manufacturing industries not only help in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy, they also reduce the heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them job in secondary and tertiary sector or tertiary sector we are calling. Here are the service sector we can call. What is the thing? See, we can think that the manufacturing industry may help for only modernizing agriculture. Not only this, the manufacturing industry is there, no, that will be acting as a backbone of our economy also, and they are reducing the people who all are dependents more on agriculture for the purpose of income. That people they can shift from the primary to the secondary. How means they will be get a job. So the next one, the industrial development is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty from our environment. Sorry, yes. What are the industrial development is there? That is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty from our country. This was the main philosophy is behind the public sector industries and joint venture in India. It was also aimed at bringing down the regional disparities by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Export manufactured goods expands the trade and commerce and brings the much needed foreign exchange. Countries that transfer their raw materials into a wide variety of finished goods of higher value are prosperous. this is about what is meaning and important of manufacturing industry. Upcoming class we will be going to learn about contribution of industry in the national economy, industrial location, more on about manufacturing industry. Thank you for watching video. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day.